If you are looking for a gold grill online, you've no doubt been bombarded by ads on Facebook from various jewelers you've never heard of before, and just maybe one of those ads was from Custom Gold Grillz. Are they a reputable company? How long will it take to receive your grill? And do they use real solid gold like they claim, or am I going to have it tested and find out it's mostly made of nickel? These questions and more will be answered today, so let's roll that intro. What's up, YouTube universe? This your boy Jacob Dark. Now, if you're new to the channel, I typically review things like home studio gear, audio interfaces and microphones, or gaming products like gaming chairs or gaming monitors. Really anything tech that I spend my money on is gonna get a review. So if that interests you, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be alerted every time I upload another video. Now, directly after this review, I'm gonna reach out to Custom Gold Grillz and see if I can get you guys a discount code to save some money, so check the description below for that link. I started off by going to the Custom Gold Grillz website, where they have a pretty large assortment of styles to choose from. Now, I don't know if you believe in love at first sight, but after some scrolling, I instantly knew I wanted the diamond cut with diamond dust grill. 6 on top, 8 on bottom. So I reached out to Custom Gold Grillz on Facebook, and they were pretty fast in responding to my questions. They perfectly explained the difference between a normal and deep cut and answered all of my questions in a timely manner. They had a BOGO sale going on at the time, so I said F it and placed my order on May 18th. To my surprise, I got the shipped email the same day and got my mold kit 2 days later. Let's take a look at their recommended instructions for making your molds. As it turns out, I completely botched the first set, so they had to send me another box to get it right. Let's take a look at my failed mode so you can see what I did. As you can see, the first top mold is streaky and you can't see the tooth shape, as to where the second set came out on point. Same thing with the bottom's first attempt, super streaky, and again, the second was a success. Now, they recommend you bite into the mold, but what worked for me was pressing the mold into my teeth instead. So if one way gives you trouble, maybe try the other. My mold kits were received on 5/27, and I didn't have to wait too long as I received the final product on 6/12. Props on the kit I received, as the color scheme and packaging felt very GQ. It really feels like I just ordered a premium product. Inside the box, we have my molds. Let's get a first look. Man, hold up. Yes, sir. As you can see, I got the diamond cut diamond dust in 14 karat white gold, and they are flashy. Let's look at the top. And the bottom. I am one happy customer. But let's put it to the test and find out if it's really 14 karat gold. Now, the reason I feel we need to do this test is because I've known shady local jewelers who often try to sell to the hip hop community, and they'll sell things that they market as 10 or 14 carats. Then you get it tested and it's actually like 7 carats and the rest is nickel or some other metal. So let's take it to a local pawn shop and get it tested and find out.
So it's gold, and you see how these just darkened? That means it is a 14 karat. So if it's a 14 karat, because I tested it first with 14 karat, it just stays the same color. If it was a darker one, for example, this is an 18, that's why it disappears, or it darkens because it's a 14. So the 18 is too strong for it.
So it's testing at 14?
Mm-hmm. Testing at 14 karat.
And there you have it. Custom Gold Grillz came through with the customer service. The grill tested at 14 carats like it should have, and the whole thing only took a couple of weeks, and here I am, shining and blinded. Now, heads up, you will have a little bit of a lisp when you first get them. It's kind of like getting braces. You got to get used to the whole thing, so you can probably hear it in my voice now because they are brand new, but with some time, I'll grow into them and I'll get used to them. So that's going to do it for today. So as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted each time I upload more content. So until next time, thank you for watching, stay tuned, and have a great day. Now let's get one last look at my ugly mug.